Are you an avid adventurer, a casual camper, or someone who finds solace in the serenity of nature? Imagine having a companion that not only enhances your outdoor escapades, but also safeguards your comfort, convenience, and safety. Dive into our meticulously curated selection of top-tier outdoor gadgets and gear engineered for those who refuse to compromise on their wilderness experiences. Explore with us as we unveil the ultimate treasures for every outdoor enthusiast, bringing the luxuries of home to the heart of nature. Let's redefine what it means to embark on a journey outdoors. Your next great adventure starts here. Discover the ultimate gadget for every outdoor enthusiast or anyone in need of a reliable multi-tool, the Supro Multi-Tool Pocket Knife. This tactical multi-tool is designed to be a companion for camping, hiking, fishing, or any outdoor adventure. It combines 19 essential tools in one compact and lightweight device, weighing just about 8.9 ounces. The Supro Multi-Tool features durable materials with the blade, scissors, and wire cutter made from high-quality 440A steel, ensuring longevity and reliability. Tools include pliers, a knife, a saw, scissors, a ruler, can and bottle openers, various screwdrivers, and more, all securely locked in place for safety. It's not just a tool, it's also a thoughtful gift for the loved ones in your life, perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, or any special occasion. Safety, durability, and design make this tool a must-have for any adventure or task. Meet the Kijaro Dual Lock Chair, the perfect blend of convenience and comfort for all your outdoor adventures. This unique chair stands out with its dual locking feature. Lock it open for added stability to enjoy your time outside with peace of mind, and easily lock it shut when it's time to pack up, making transportation a breeze. Designed for ultimate relaxation, this foldable chair offers a sag-free seat made from durable diamond ripstop polyester, enhanced with a breathable mesh on the back for those warmer days. It's the ideal companion for anyone who loves to be outdoors, whether you're tailgating, camping, or cheering on your favorite sports team. This heavy-duty chair supports up to 300 pounds and comes equipped with thoughtful extras like 2 cup holders, a zip and mesh organizer for your essentials, a carry strap for easy lifting, and a carry bag for seamless mobility. Embark on your next outdoor adventure with the comfort of home using the tough Outdoors Camping Cot. This sturdy cot is designed to keep you elevated from the ground for a restful night's sleep wherever you are, be it under the stars, in a tent, or at a campsite. It's crafted with heavy-duty materials, ensuring durability and longevity so you won't have to worry about wear and tear from the great outdoors. The cot is also simple to set up and take down, meaning less hassle and more relaxation time. With its ability to support a significant weight and is built to accommodate various body heights, it's a reliable choice for most campers. Additionally, it's designed with convenience in mind, featuring a foldable frame for ease of transport, making it a fantastic choice for anyone in need of a portable and comfortable sleeping option while exploring nature. Experience the ultimate comfort during your travels with the Marchway Camping Pillow. This compact, ultra-light pillow is designed for the adventurer looking to pack lightly without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling, this pillow provides the necessary support for a good night's rest, thanks to its ergonomic design that cradles your head. The pillow inflates in just a few breaths and deflates quickly, fitting neatly into your backpack when not in use. Made from durable and soft materials, it is gentle on your skin and built to last through all your journeys. Make your outdoor experiences even more enjoyable by ensuring you wake up refreshed every morning, no matter where you are. Enhance your outdoor experience with the Sunar Camping Hammock, a must-have for any nature enthusiast. This hammock offers a cozy and secure spot to relax, whether you're setting up camp in the woods, by the beach, or in your own backyard. Designed for ease of use, it comes with everything needed for a quick setup, including straps and carabiners, allowing you to secure it between 2 trees or posts in just minutes. The hammock is made from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the elements while providing a comfortable rest. It's also compact when packed, making it simple to carry on any adventure. With the Sunar Camping Hammock, you can kick back and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors in complete comfort. Introducing the Floraguard 10-inch Hand Pruning Saw, your reliable partner for garden work and outdoor activities. Made with strong, high-carbon steel and coated with protective anti-rust paint, this saw stays sharp and durable, even after slicing through plant material. Its professional-grade triple-cut razor teeth are specially designed to cut through tough wood and large branches with ease. The extra-long, curved blade helps you tackle bigger cutting jobs quickly and efficiently. Gardeners and campers alike will appreciate the ergonomic handle designed for comfort and reduce fatigue during use. A safety lock ensures the blade stays open while working and securely folded when you're on the move. This folding saw's compact design makes it an excellent addition to any camping gear or gardening kit, giving you the power to prune and cut wherever you go. The Nightcat Beach Tent is a perfect solution for anyone looking for a quick and easy setup for beach outings or other outdoor adventures. This beach tent stands out for its effortless assembly, allowing you to enjoy more leisure time without the hassle of complex setups. It features a durable design that effectively blocks the sun's rays, providing a cool shade and protection from harmful UV radiation. The tent's robust structure ensures stability even in breezy conditions, making it ideal for various outdoor settings. Additionally, its spacious interior comfortably accommodates multiple people, making it great for families or groups. Lightweight and portable, the Nightcat Beach Tent also includes a carrying bag, making it convenient to transport and store, ensuring your trips to the beach or any outdoor event are carefree and enjoyable. And that wraps up our showcase of must-have gadgets and gear for the great outdoors. Whether you're scaling mountains, conquering trails, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment under the stars, we've got you covered. Loved what you saw? Feel the call of the wild with every essential we've shared today. Give us a thumbs up if you're ready for your next adventure, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next episode. Stay safe, explore responsibly, and remember, your next great adventure starts with the right gear. Catch you outdoors.